Your window guide is in the way. My window is up. There's a 10 millimeter nut at the top and a 10 millimeter nut at the bottom that's holding this window guide in place. So you have to be really careful at this point, because last thing you want to do is bend this guide. But with this top nut loose, you can back the post of the guide out here at the bottom, and it will push in and back, because you have to push it in and back as far as you can to slowly work the actuator around. Because the actuator, like I said, is sitting in this orientation in the door. So it's now sitting here in the bottom. So what you have to do is work it up and work it around this post. So it's got to come up and around to get around this interior window guide. It definitely takes some time. It takes some patience to get that slowly work to get it out. Like I said, this is the new one, and so I can show what it looks like. Sitting like this, you push the window guide back, work it around that guide and out. So I'm going to sit and work on that, and I'll show you when I'm done, but it's just going to take a little bit of time and patience. Be careful not to bend the window guide. It's pretty strong metal, but the last thing you want to do is do damage in trying to do a repair. I got it, and it definitely took some doing. So what I did was, I said I released all 3 bolts up here. I got the exterior door pull pulled off. I pulled the cable for the interior door pull, and I'll show how very clearly how all these hook back up again. And then I pushed the window guide back. The bolt at the top slides up and down to give a little bit of flexibility. This lower bolt just pushes straight back.